Everyone able to see my screen? Yes, please. Yeah, okay. So in the last session, we have seen what is data, what is database, what is ETL, and what is OLTP, what is OLAP. This and all we have seen in the last session, correct? If you miss the last session, okay, so you have to see my video about the last session, you have to see. So then you will understand this session. 1 second, please. Just give me 1 second, please. Yeah, also I need to disable it. Yes. Let me disable. Yeah, okay. Now, just give me 1 more second, please. Wait. Okay, fine. Yeah. So now, what is data means? What is data, guys? In the last session, we have seen already. What is data? Data is collection of information. Data is what? Collection of information. Yeah. Okay. So data is collection of information. Now, so where the data will store? Data will store in which format? Data will store in which format? Any idea? Any idea what data will store in which format? Data will be stored in tables or files. Data will be stored in the format of. So data will store in which format? Data will store in which format? Data will be stored in, suppose if you go to college, health, educational data. If you go to banking, that is banking data. If you go to any grocery shop, that is retail data. If you go to any insurance company, insurance data. If you go to any health, any medical shop, or if you go to any hospital, that is healthcare data. Fine. Where they will store the data? In which format they will store the data? The data will be stored in the format of either a table or a file. So files we will discuss later. File we will discuss later. We will see about tables. We will see about the tables now. So data will be stored in the format of table. Now what is a table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. Table is collection of rows and columns. Rows also called records. Columns also called fields and attributes. So suppose if I open like this, there is a table called customers. The table name is customers. In that, this is a table. A table is a collection of rows and columns. Collection of rows and columns. Rows also called records. Columns also called attributes or fields. Suppose we have like this: cust ID, cust name, credit, debit, city. Like this we have. This is one table. This is one table. In this, how many columns are there? There are 5 columns. What are the column names? Customer ID, customer name, credit, debit, city. Are you clear? Understanding everything? What is a table means? A table is collection of rows and columns. Horizontal lines are called rows. Horizontal cells are called rows. Vertical cells are called columns. Suppose if I have customer ID 100, customer name Raj, 10,000 credit, 500 debit city Bangalore. Now suppose 200 Ram, 20,000 and 700 Chennai, 300 Ramya, okay, 300 Ramya. 1 second, please. Please wait. One minute. Yeah. Okay. So, like this, suppose I have 400. Like this I have, suppose. Like this I have. Now, how many rows are there in this table? How many rows are there in this table? There are how many records? This is called a column header. This is not a row. The first one is called column header. Customer ID, customer name, credit, debit, city, we will not consider as a row. It is a column header or column name. So there are 4 records. This is 1 record, 2nd record, 3rd record, 4th record. And there are 5 columns. Customer ID, customer name, credit, debit, city. These are all 5 columns, 4 records. 5 columns, 4 rows or 4 records. This is called column header or column name. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? So now a table, the data will be stored in the format of, rows and columns. Are you clear what is the table? Everyone, are you clear what is the table is? Yes, please. Now, where these tables will store? These tables will store in schema. Where the tables will store? Tables will stored under schema. Now, where schema will store? Schema will store under database. Understanding? So, data will be stored in the format of tables or files. If the data is stored in the format of a table, when we will call, if the data is stored in format of rows and columns or records and fields, then that is called a table. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Now, where these tables will store? In the schema. So, schema, that means schema is collection of tables. Now, where this schema will store? Schema will store under database. That means, see please, suppose we have 5 tables. Table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, like this. Okay. Now here I have, these are the tables, correct? Table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4. Now where these tables will present? This is table 1, this is table 2, this is table 3, this is table 4, this is table 5. Now where this will be stored? The tables will be present in a schema. This is a schema. Under schema, tables will store. Under schema, tables will store. Are you clear? Like this, we have one more schema. Schema 2, this is schema 2. This is schema 2. Under this, we have table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5, 7, 8, 9, like this. We have one more schema, like this. We have a schema. We have one more schema. Okay. In this we have table 1, table 2, table 3. Schema, the meaning of schema is nothing. Schema is collection of tables. See now? Now this is schema. This is tables, all these tables. These are the tables. These are the tables. And this is schema 3. Tables will be present in schema. So now all this schema, where it will present? In a database. All these will be present in a database. So this is a database. Are you clear? Now, database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of tables. Collection of tables. Table is collection of rows and columns. Yes or no, please? Understanding? Everyone? Understanding, please? What is a table? What is a schema? What is a database? Are you clear? Everyone? Understanding? So tables will be created under schema. Like this, we have multiple schemas under a database. Now, so database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of tables. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Understanding? Now, how to access or how to see a table or a schema or a database? How to access where these what is that? Where these tables or schema or database stored in our system, in which like this is where it will store. These will be stored under a database server. What is that? So to store this, we have a database server. Under database server, we have different schemas. Under each schema, we have different data tables. Understanding, please? Everyone? Are you clear? Understanding, everyone, please? Are you clear? Yes, guys. So where these will store in your system, there should be one software called database server should be installed. Then if you install, then in the database server, you can create a schema. You can create multiple tables under the schema. Okay, multiple tables under the schema. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Yes, please. I am really going slow. I am not at all going fast. Okay, so to store these tables or schema or a database, we have a database server should be installed. Now, what are the popular database servers available in market? What are the major database servers available in software market? What are? Anybody? What are the database servers available in market? We have, okay. See, you have to ask the doubts in the chat. You have to ask the doubts in the chat, please, because we have a lot more people. Okay, the people will increase. If you have any question, I will ask you, do you have any questions? Then at the time, you can ask your question in chat. I will reply you by speaking. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Yes, please. You have to ask whenever I said, do you have any questions? Then you need to type your question in the chat so that I'll see the chat and I'll reply you. So you no need to worry. Just listen. So what I'm saying, you just listen to the training. You no need to take the notes. You no need to write it down. Nothing you need to do it. Okay. You have to just listen carefully. If you listen, 100% problems will resolve. If you listen, then only you can understand. If you understand, then only you can practice. So just understand whatever I say. Are you clear, please? So now, how to access these tables or schema or a database? By using database server. Database server is a software installed in our system. What are the major database servers available? The most popular one, Oracle database server. The most popular one is Oracle's database. Oracle database, okay, so that is the oldest database server, but still it is most popular database. Now, again, SQL Server database, MySQL database, Teradata database, Sybase, Greenplum, MS Access, MongoDB, Cassandra DB, Snowflake database. These are all majorly available databases in market. So you no need to learn all these things. Just learn Oracle database. Just learn Oracle database perfectly. The others you can easily learn, because we will use the same thing here also. Little extra things will be there, or same syntax we will use it. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? So in our training, we will discuss about Oracle database. In our training, we will discuss about Oracle database. Okay. So these are all the database servers available in market. So now when you are installing Informatica, you could have installed Oracle first. When you are installing in Oracle in Informatica, you could have installed Oracle first. Yes or no, please? Guys, I need the responses. Please interactively chart in this. Interactively, you can type it. Okay. So that is called Oracle database server. What is that? That is called Oracle database server. So first we will install server into our database, and whenever you create any table or any schema, that will stored under this database server. This database server. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Now, again, now how to access this database server? How to access this database server? So you are all installed Oracle 11G. You have all installed Oracle 11G database server. To access the database server, we should have a client tool. To access this database server, we should have a client tool. That is called SQL Developer. So if you install SQL Developer, if you search with SQL, then this will, if you open, this is our SQL. By using this, you can create a table, you can delete a table, you can update a table, you can drop a table, you can insert the records into the table. When you create a table here, that table will go and store in database server. This table will go and stored in database server. Actually, it is like this. If I show you, it will be like this. I'll show you one image. If you see please. See. Okay, if you see. First, we have what? We have Oracle database server. In this Oracle database server, we have three schemas. What are those? Schema 1, schema 2, schema 3. In each schema, we have different tables. Now, how you have created the tables? Directly you cannot go to database server. You can create. You should have a front end tool. Back end is database server. Front end is SQL Developer. By using Oracle SQL Developer, this is Oracle SQL Developer. By using this tool, by using this Oracle SQL Developer tool, we will create a table, or we will get the data from the database server. Are you clear? Now, in real time or here, if you want to create a table, you have to create from SQL Developer. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? So whatever you do, you should do from SQL Developer only. When you create a table in SQL Developer, it will go and store in the database server under the schema. Yes, please. Understanding? Understanding, everyone? Yes, please. Are you clear? Do you have any questions in this? Do you have any questions, please? Do you have any questions in this? Yeah, you can ask your questions in the chat. You can type your question. Now, you need to see how to create a schema, how to create a table. Now you need to see how to create a table, how to create a schema. It is very simple. We have a table. We have 10 tables. These tables present in schema. Like schema 1 have 3 tables. Schema 2 having 3 tables. Schema 3 is having 3 tables. And these 3 schemas present in database. That is present in database server. How to access these schemas or tables? By using SQL Developer. By using SQL Developer, you can create the schema and you can create the tables. Are you clear? There is no such tool called PLSQL Developer. There is only one tool, that is called Oracle SQL Developer. That is a client tool. By using client tool, you can create a schema and you can create a table. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Now, first, suppose you need to create a table. I want to create a table like this. In Oracle, I want to create a table. Please wait. Just understand it. Just listen carefully. Suppose I want to create a table like this in Oracle. What to do? Before you creating a table, you need to create a schema. What you have to do? before you create a table, you have to create a schema. 1 second, please. Before you create a table, you need to create a schema. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. Now what we need to do? We need to create a schema. What is the name of the schema? You can create any name. You can create with any name. But I am creating a schema first now. So what we have to do now? You have to create a, suppose if you want to create a table, before you creating a table, you need to create a schema. Now, before going to schema, Oracle is what? Oracle is a database server or database, correct? Oracle is a database. Yes or no, please? Is Oracle is a database? Yes, please. Oracle is a database. Oracle contains, database contains schema. Schema contains tables. Okay. Now, in Oracle database is divided into two parts. Oracle database is divided into two parts. What are those? SQL, PLSQL. What are those? SQL or PSQL and PLSQL. SQL means structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language, structured query language. But to get the job in Informatica, if you want to get a job in Informatica, if you learn SQL, that is more than enough. If you learn SQL, that is more than enough. PLSQL is not required. If you have interest, you can learn PLSQL also. But as of now, now the thing is, Oracle database is divided into two parts, SQL, PLSQL. So to get the job, SQL is enough. Now you should know how to use SQL. So this SQL will be used in SQL Developer. Now we will see how to use SQL having commands. By using these commands, we'll create a table, we'll create a schema, we'll create anything you can create it. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Now, suppose you want to create a table. Before you create a table, you should create a schema. First, you should create a schema. What is the difference between SQL, PLSQL? SQL is structured query language. It will be having some commands. Now, advanced, that means advanced version of SQL is PLSQL. The advanced SQL is having basic commands. PLSQL is having advanced commands. That is the only difference. SQL is having basic commands. PLSQL is having advanced commands. That's the difference between SQL and PLSQL. So now, if you learn SQL, that is more than enough to work on Informatica or to work on or to get to select in the interview. Now, how to create a schema? How to create a schema? How to create a schema? You should write a syntax. That means there is a rule like this only. You need to create a schema. How to create a schema? You have to create like this. Create user schema name identified by password. Now, where you need to create? Open SQL Developer. How to open SQL Developer? How to open SQL Developer? To open SQL Developer, go to search and search with SQL. Then SQL Developer window, SQL Developer will just click on open. Then this will open. This is front-end tool of Oracle. Backend is server. Front-end is SQL Developer. In the SQL Developer, if you see, suppose I'll just do like this. Just wait. Just wait. Now, in this, suppose in this window, this is SQL Developer window. In this window, what we have in this window, this is the first line is called title bar. This is menu bar. We have different menus here. We have different menus. This is called menu bar, and this is called toolbar. This is called toolbar. The left side, this plus symbols are called navigation window. This left side window is called navigation window. Right side window is called workspace window. Downside window is called output window. So this is title bar, menu bar, toolbar, and navigation window, and workspace window, and output window. This is SQL Developer. Are you clear, please? What is Oracle SQL Developer? Oracle SQL Developer contains three parts: navigation window, workspace window, output window. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Guys, understanding? Everyone, please. Now you need to create a schema. First, decide the schema name. What you want to create? I want to create a schema called OTSRC Dev 12. What is schema name I want to create? I want to create a schema name called OTSRC Dev 12. OT means order tables. Dev means OT. SRC means source. Dev means development. All those things I will tell. Now, you need to create one schema in Oracle SQL Developer. How to create a schema? To create a schema, first open SQL Developer, scroll down. In your system, if you already installed Informatica and if you already installed Oracle, you will be seeing InfoDemo, InfoRep, and Sys. Yes or no? In your system, you might be having three schemas. What are those? Sys schema, InfoDom, InfoRepo. Yes or no, please? Agreed? Whatever I said is correct? Yes, please. Now, what you need to do now? Now, you need to create a schema. How to create a schema? How to create a schema? Open SQL Developer, connect to Sys schema. This is also a schema, but it is a system schema. It belongs to Oracle. Click on this Sys. Click on the plus button. When you click on the plus button, this Sys is opened here. Yes or no? Is the Sys is opened here? See? Yes, please. So what I have done? I have just clicked on this plus symbol. When I click on this plus symbol, this Sys workspace window will open. Now you need to create a schema. How to create a schema? Why only you created a name? Just a random name, just a meaningful name. You can create with your name also. You can create with your name also. So I am creating a schema called OTSRC Dev 12 now. What is that? How? Create. You write it. Create user. That is username. That is schema name. OT SRC Dev 12. Identified by password. Identified by, you can give any password. You have to use this password only. I am giving the password called admin. I am giving the password called admin. Create user, username, identified by admin. Okay. So here, what is the schema name? OTSRC Dev 12. What is the password for that? Admin. Put a semicolon at last. Put a semicolon at last. Then select this semicolon and execute it. Select this semicolon and execute it. OTSRC Dev 12 is created. Why should we select S only? Because Sys is a system schema. Under system schema only, you have to create the schemas. That is belongs to Oracle system. So that is belongs to Oracle database server. That's why you need to connect it to Sys schema and you need to write a create user statement. Create user statement. Are you clear, please? In this, what is the schema name? In this, what is the schema name? The schema name is OTSRC Dev 12. Password is admin. Yes or no, please? We have created a schema with the username, with the schema name OTSRC Dev 12, and we given a password admin. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Why semicolon? That is a syntax. Just put a semicolon at last and execute it. This is created. After that, you need to give access to this schema. How to give access? I am writing like this. Grant all privileges to. So you no need to understand about this. These two is not required for you. What is these two is? You are giving some required privileges or required permissions to your schema. Grant all privileges to OTSRC Dev 12. Grant DBA to OTSRC Dev 12. Under output window, you get grant succeeded. So, but you no need to learn about it. You no need to learn about it. Yes, password is compulsory. Password is compulsory. Create username, that is schema name. Which schema name you wanted to create? I want to create OTSRC Dev 12 identified by my password admin. After that, you just grant all privileges to that schema, grant DBA to that schema. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? Is my voice is clear, please? Is my voice is clear? Everyone? One second, please. Yeah. So what I'm saying is you have to execute this. Now schema is created. Now the schema is created. What is schema name? What is the schema name? In this, what is the schema name? OTSRC Dev 12. OTSRC Dev 12. You can give my name, your name also. You can give any name for the schema. You can give any password for schema, but a meaningful name I am creating. A meaningful name. Why I am giving underscores here? Because you should not use spaces in between a schema. You should not use a space like this. If you give a space like this, it will give error. So to join those spaces, I give an underscore to easily understand. To easily understand. Why we should give password, I will tell you. So by grant all privileges to schema name, grant DBA to schema name, we given required permissions, or we given our permission to this schema. All permissions to this schema. Can we rename schema name? All those things we'll see. Please ask the topic specified questions. Later we'll see all those things. So now I created DBA means database administrator. All those things I'll tell later. Are you clear? You can use small letters also. You can use any letter. But this password should be whatever you given the password, that is final. That means now, what you have done now, you have created a schema and given the access to that schema. Now, next step is configure that schema. That schema should be visible here. Are you seeing any OTSRC Dev 12 here? Are you seeing any OTSRC Dev 12? In the left side? No. Okay. You can use small letters also, not a problem. Okay. Not required. No need to add OTSRC. You can create any schema with your name, my name. Now what to do? How to configure a schema? Click on this plus button. Are you seeing plus button here? Green plus? Are you seeing a green plus, please? Click on this. Once you click on a database connection, so you need to connect it or you need to configure your schema. Name will be same as schema name. Username will be also schema name. Password is admin. Whatever you written here, you need to type it here. Password is admin. After that, test and then connect. Now see, OTSRC Dev 12 is connected. Let me disconnect this. Now, OTSRC Dev 12 is created. It is not case sensitive. Is OTSRC Dev 12 is created? Yes, it is created with a plug symbol. See, what to do? You need to click on plus symbol. Your schema name or username, whatever you are writing, OTSRC Dev 12, you put it here. Username also same. Password is, you can give any password, but I am giving admin and I am saving it and test and connect. When you test and connect, it will open. Are you clear, please? Understanding everyone? Understanding everyone? Yes, guys. Okay. Now my schema is ready to work. Now under Oracle database, my schema is created. So when you create a schema, it will open like this. Now we need to, password is different for both. What is password is different for both? My schema name is OTSRC Dev 12. My password is admin. You can give any name for the schema. You can give anything for the password. To make you understand better, I given a simple schema name and also password. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Understanding how to create a schema? Yes, please. Open Oracle SQL Developer and first write these commands. Write these 3 commands. Execute them or run them. After that, what you need to do? After that, you need to configure the schema. How to configure? Click on plus and give a name as username and password. Are you clear, please? Everyone understood? Understood how to create a schema? Any doubts, please? Any doubts how to create a schema? Any doubts how to create a schema? Yeah, now once the schema is created, if you see, if you click on this plus button, these are all there under schema. Tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions, all these will be available. Okay, all these will be available in this schema. So these are all called database objects. Actually, table is also a one type of database object. Tables, views, synonyms, procedures, functions, okay, operators. These are all what? These are all objects, database objects. Table is one of the database object. Table is one of the database object. Okay, one of the database object. Now, once you connect to the schema, you need to create a table now. First, decide which table you want to create. First, decide which table you want to create. Before going to table creation, in SQL, in this password is same as the one which you given at the time of installation. You can give any password. To make you easy, I given the same password everywhere. To make you easy, I given the same password everywhere. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Now, before going to creating a table, our Oracle SQL is having 4 or 5 types of commands. Majorly, there are 4 or 5 types of commands Oracle is having. There are 3 types of or 5 types of commands. There are 5 types of commands. What are those? DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, DQL commands, and DCL commands. What is DDL? DDL means data definition language. DML means data manipulation language. TCL means transaction control language. DQL means data query language. DCL means data control language. Okay. In each under DDL, we have a few commands called create, alter, drop, rename, and truncate. And under DML, we have insert, update, delete. Under TCL, we have commit and rollback. Under DQL, select, welcome. Under DCL, grant and revoke. These are all. So what are these actually? These are like ABCDs of database. Suppose if you want to learn English, first you will learn. Suppose you want to write English. What you will do? What you will do? Suppose if you want to write in English. What to do? First you need to learn about alphabets. You need to learn ABCDs. Yes or no? To write or speak with English, you should know at least ABCDs first. You should know at least ABCDs first. So same way for English, how ABCDs are alphabets. For Oracle SQL Developer, for SQL Developer, these commands are ABCDs. Okay. Without knowing these commands, you cannot start Oracle or Informatica. These Oracle commands are very easy and it is easily understandable. You need to observe carefully. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Yes, please. These are alphabets or ABCDs of database. Without knowing this, you cannot work on Informatica. So first, I am going by, that is why today I am going with Oracle. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Understanding, everyone, please? Yes, guys. Now, how to create a table? How to create a table? So we have created a schema and now we need to create under the schema. how to create a table inside a schema. First, decide the table name. First, what to do? Decide the table name. Suppose I want to create a table called students. I want to create a table called students. Or yeah, students. I have student ID, student name, marks, and city. This is my table. Yes, guys. Is my table. My table name is students, and my table name is students. Okay. My table name is I need to create a students table with 4 columns. Okay. So first you decide your table name, then decide the columns. Not only just columns, you need to decide the data type. Normally, serial student ID will come under numbers, right? Normally, when you go to any college, student ID will be in numbers. Yes or no? Yes, guys? Yes. So suppose, okay, what I'm trying to say. Now, student ID, what kind of data it should insert? It should be number data. Number of 5. Number of 5 means what? Until 5 digits, it will allow. Your serial number, suppose your serial number will student ID will be 1, okay, or 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5 digits, it will allow. Up to 5 digits, it will allow. So, student ID should allow only numbers. Only numbers. Okay. Student ID should number of 5. That means only 5 digit number it will accept. From 0 digit to 5 digit, it will accept. Then student name. Student name is a character, correct? Suppose student ID is 100. Student name I will give Raj. That means student name is varchar2 data type. Student name is varchar2 data type. So you have to decide this. Before you creating a table, you have to decide all these things. I want to create a table with 5 columns or 10 columns or 2 columns. You need to decide. Now, what I am doing, I am creating a table called students. In that 4 columns are there, and you need to decide the data type. What type of data it should store. First column will store student ID with number 5 digits, up to 5 digits it will store. Student name is a character. That's why there is a data type called varchar2. Student name might be 50 characters. Student name might be 50 characters. Then marks. See, normally student ID 10. Raj. Marks can be like this, right? 98.15. That means decimal. Yes or no? Marks is decimal point. Yes, guys. Is marks is decimal? Yes. So how to derive the marks? How the data type? Decimal. You can use decimal, or you can use number 5, 2. What is number 5, 2 means? What is number 5 means? What is number 5, 2 means? Number of 5 means up to 5 digits it will allow. From 0 it will allow, 1 it will allow, 1, 2, 3 it will allow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it will allow, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 5, 6, 5 it will allow, 1, 2 like this it will allow. Till this digit, 5 digits. The maximum digit it will allow is 99999. That is called, that means now this, what is this one? What is the column name? Student ID should have maximum 5 digits only. It should not exceed 5 digits. Yes or no, please? Correct, guys? Now student marks. Student marks number of 5, 2 means what? What is number of 5, 2 means? Total number of digits should be 5. Like this, 123.45. In this, total digits are 5. Before 2 digits, point should be there. Number 5, 2 means what? Total number of digits should be 5. Before 2 points, before 2 numbers, point should be there. Like this, 999.99. Like this. Understanding, everyone? Understanding, everyone, please? So what is number 5, 2? It will allow maximum 5 numbers. From the 5 numbers, the last 2 digits should be before point. So this will allow 0. This will allow 0.0, 0.12, okay, 123.99, or 0.012, 0.1, like this it will allow. Like this, it will allow. Yeah, 125, here it will accept. Yes. Okay. Now suppose number of 7, 2 means number of 8, 3. What is number of 8, 3? What is number of 8, 3? What is meant by that? What is number of 8, 3? Total digit should be 8. Total digit should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From that, before 3 digits, dot should be there. Before 3 digits, dot should be there. Okay, total should be 8. Before 3 digits, dot should be there. 1, 2, 3. That means like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before 5 digits, before 3 digits, dot should be there. Like this. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? That is number of 8, 3. So now, before you create a table, you can decide which data type. Decimal number both are same. If you give decimal 5, 2, or number 5, 2, both are same. Both are same. Yes, please. You should insert. I'll tell you, please wait. Now city, it's a character data type, string data type. String means collection of characters, varchar 200. So that is Bangalore. Are you clear, please? So if you want to create a table means, first you need to decide the table name and the column names and the data types you should decide. Then you can create a table. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? Decimal 5 will not take anything. It will take 5 numbers only. If you have 5, 2, that means total digits should be 5 in the total digits. Last before 2 digits, dot should be there. So char, varchar 2, all are same. These are all. Char is basic one. Varchar is the advanced version of char. Varchar 2 is the advanced version of varchar. So we will use always varchar 2. You can also, all these are same. It will work one and the same. Okay. Now can we create a table in Oracle? Can we create a table in Oracle? For number 5, 3 will allow 5.47. Yes, it will allow. It will allow. Okay. There is nothing difference between them. Almost all similar. It is not required. Just we'll go to table. This is not so important. Now we'll go to how to create a table. You can try with char, you can try with varchar, you can try with varchar 2. Not a problem. Okay, you can try. Now I am going how to create a table. So open SQL Developer. Suppose you want to create a table. Okay, I'm closing everything. I'm just closing everything. What to do? You want to create a table. Open SQL Developer. Search with SQL. Open SQL Developer. Once you open SQL Developer, this window will open. Once this window is open, you already created a schema. Yes or no? We already created a schema. Yes, guys. Did we create a schema? Yes. Now what you need to do? You just click on this OTSRC Dev 12. Are you seeing plus button? We already created a schema. Where you want to store the table? Under OTSRC Dev 12. Just click on this plus symbol. Then here OTSRC Dev 12 is opened. OTSRC Dev 12, a workspace window is opened. Now you need to create a table. How to create a table? By using a create command. Create is a DDL command, data definition language command. Okay. Now how to create a table? Create table name. What is our table name? Students. Then enter, open and close the brackets. What you have to do? You have to write like this only. Create table name. Table name is students. Inside that, what are the columns we require? Number 1, student ID. Student ID, number of 5. student ID, number of 5, comma, student name, varchar 2, you can give any column name. I given the column name student ID, you can give the column name as ID. I given the column name as student name, you can give the column name as name. Okay, student name, varchar 2, 50. Varchar to 50 or 60. That means student name will allow till 50 characters. My name, suppose if I give varchar to, suppose if I give varchar to 6. Okay, it will allow 6 characters only. NATARAJ. My name is 6 characters. My name is 6 characters? Yes, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually 7 characters. If I give varchar 7, then it will allow my name. Otherwise, it will not allow. Otherwise, it will allow only if I give varchar to 6. If I try to insert, it will allow only 6 characters. Like this, it will allow. Okay. If you give 10 means up to 10 characters, it will allow. If you give 50 means up to 50 characters, it will allow. 0 to 50 characters, it will allow. Okay. So that is varchar. Now, next is student marks. Student marks is what? Number 5, 2. Number 5, 2. Next is what? City. That is also varchar. That is also varchar to 100. I am giving like this. Like this, we need to create a table. Number of 5 means it will allow 5 digits only. Student ID will allow 5 digits maximum. 0 to 5 digits it will allow. Student name, it will allow 50 characters. Student marks will allow 5 digits with two numbers after the dot, and city will allow 100 characters. Are you clear? Every column after column, comma should be there. After that, at last column, there should not be any comma. For last column, there should not be any comma. You give a syntax. How to execute it? You have to run it. How to run it? Select it. And are you seeing the green button? In the green button, execute it or run. When you execute, table students created. Are you clear how to create a table in Oracle? Are you clear how to create a table in Oracle? So how to create a table in Oracle? Create table name, column name, data type, size, column name, data type, size, column name, data type, precision and length, precision, city, data type and length. Are you clear, please? Did you understand how to create a table? Everyone? Did you understand how to create a table, please? Are you clear? Yes. Now, if you created a table, how to see the table? How to verify? You can verify here, table students created. Still, if you want to see, if you want to verify, you can see the structure of a table. You can see the definition of a table. How to see the structure or definition of a table? There is a command called describe. DSC table name. DSC table name. Okay. DSC table name. Select this DSC table name and execute it. Is it came here? Student ID number 5. Student name varchar to 50. Student marks number 5, 2. City varchar to 100. So what is this? Describe. You can write describe also. Like this also you can write. Either you can write describe or you can write DSC. DSC table means it will show how many columns it is there in the table with the data type, with the size. So how to see the definition of a table? How to see the definition of a table or structure of a table? DSC students. DSC table name. Describe table name. Are you clear, please? Understanding how to see the definition of a table? Once you created a table, you created one table or two tables. You want to see the definition of each table. After creation of a table, you can give DSC students so that it will show the definition or a structure of a table. Now the third one, how to see the data or rows in a table. How to see the data or rows from a table. I want to see how many columns are there in this table. How many columns are there in this table? There are 4 columns. Now you want to see how many rows. Then you can write select star from table name. Select star from table name. If you give select star from table name semicolon, execute it, then it is having 0 records, or this table is having empty. This is called empty table. This is called empty table. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? In this, I have 4 columns. Just 4 column names we have: student ID, student name, student marks, city, but we don't have any rows inside it. It is having 0 rows, but 4 columns. 0 records, 4 fields. 0 records, 4 attributes. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? How to create a table, how to see the structure of a table, how to see the number, how to see the records, or how to see the data from a table. Select star means, what is star means? Select all columns from the table. Star denotes all columns. If you want to write it, you can write the column names like this. Select student ID, comma student name, comma student name, comma student marks, comma city from students. You can write like this also. Both are same. This statement and this statement, both are same. Select star from students means select all the columns from table name. Select column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 from table name, both are same. Suppose you want to see only one column. Select student ID from table name. So what is select means? It will display on the screen. Whatever we select, it will display on the screen. If you select star, it will display all the columns with rows. If you select all the columns, it will display all the columns. If you select only one column, it will show only one column. If you select 2 columns, it will show on the screen 2 columns. Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Understanding how to create a table, how to see the structure of a table, how to see the data or rows inside the table. Non-IT guys, able to understand my lecture? Non-IT guys, able to understand my lecture? Are you feeling easy? See, first 5 sessions, you are new. You are new for this training. This is not difficult. As I told you, nowadays, if you come to Karnataka, in Karnataka, like in intermediate, in Andhra or in Telugu states, our intermediate means what? We have MPC, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, BPC, like this we have, right? Same way, in Karnataka, they will call PUC. In this what? They have MP, PCMC. That means physics, chemistry, maths, computers. PUC students are learning these commands. Or if you go to CBSE 10 or CBSE 9, these commands will be there. So these are very easy commands. The only thing you need to do is you need to practice after this class. You need to practice after this class. Are you clear, please? So there is nothing difficult in this. You have to listen carefully first. Put all your mobile silent. Do not do anything. Do not write anything. Do not type anything. Just listen. I will give these notes to you. Whatever I am showing you, I am giving the notes to you. Okay? Yes, guys? Did you understand? Is my English is understandable? Am I going slow? Am I going fast? Is my English is understandable to you? Am I going slow or am I going fast? Is the speed is okay? Is the speed is okay? Yes, please. You will get the recording session for today. You will get it. You will get the recording session for today. You don't need to worry about it. Okay? Yes, please. Yeah. Now, so you created a table. We have 0 records. Now, how to insert the records in a table? We need rows also, right? How to insert the rows in a table? How to insert the rows? To insert the rows, what is the command? Insert command. What is the command? Insert command. So write the insert command like this. Insert into table name. Insert into table name. Open the bracket and give all the column names. You should not give star here. You should give all the columns names like this. You need to give all the column names like this. Okay. After this, there is a space. Values. Insert into students. Space. In the brackets, you write student ID, student name, marks, city, values. Now, what is student ID? Suppose 100. Student ID is 100. Student name is Raj. Because I am giving Raj in single quotes. Why I am giving Raj in single quotes? Because student name is varchar data type. For varchar data types, you should give single quotes. For numeric data types, you no need to give any single quotes. Any single quotes you no need to give. So because student ID is a number, I just given a number. Student name is a varchar, I given Raj, comma, student marks 85.15, comma, city. In the single quotes, Bangalore, close it, semicolon. What I am doing? Insert into table name, insert into table name. In that, I am using student ID, student name, all the columns. You must use all the columns. Values. Student ID is 100. Student name is Raj. Student marks is 85.15. City is Bangalore. Select this. Execute it. One row inserted. Is one row inserted? Yes or no, please? Is one row inserted? Now, how to see that row? How to see that row? How to see that row in a table? Select star from students. See now, is the row has come. Student ID 100, student name Raj, student marks 85.515, city Bangalore. One row created. One row created. There is one row, 4 columns. Yes or no? Yes, guys. Suppose you want to create one more row. What to do? Select this and execute it. Select this and execute it. Select this and copy paste it. Copy paste it and edit it. 200 RAM 99.99 99.123. I'll give 999 or 9 or like this. I'll give okay. Or I'll give 99.99. Okay, then Chennai. Okay, suppose you want to insert one more record. Copy paste again. Now suppose you want to give 300 Ramya. Okay, suppose you want to give 0.15 and this is Goa. Suppose you want to give one more record. You want to insert one more record. Now 40 Divya. Okay, this is just 0 dot or what is that 50.0. Okay, then I'll give Vizag. Now I have created 3 more records, right? First record I already inserted. Now just select all the 3 records and press insert. Execute this. One row inserted, one row inserted, one row inserted. Now check please. Total 4 rows. 100 Raj 85.15 Bangalore, 200 Ram 99.19 Chennai, 30 Ramya 0.15 Goa, 40 Divya, 50 Vizag. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Understanding? You check it out. You have to give the space here. Insert space, into space, students, space, then values, space, comma, like this. There is nothing difficult here. Try to practice. Suppose I want to create one more record. See, please. I want to create one more record. Now what I'll do? Student ID is 0. Student name I'll give space. This I will give 0.0. This I will give like Hyderabad. Now how it will execute? See please. When you insert a record, it will come at last. It will come at last. It will come at last. You cannot insert 0 in between here. You have to, when you insert any record, see 0 and student name is space. Student marks also 0. City is Hyderabad. Suppose I'll insert one more row. Insert into, okay. Insert into 9999. Okay. And I will give this one as Rajesh. And I will give this one as 123.45. And I'll give this one as a space. Or I'll give A space, B space, C. Like this I am giving. See please. Execute it. Space A, space B, space C. Execute. Now check. It will insert at the last. It will insert the record at last. Yeah. See. 999, 999, 9999. Rajesh. Student marks 123.45. City ABC with a space. Are you clear, please? Understanding? So the maximum digit it will allow is 5 digits. 5 maximum. From 0 to 5 digits it will allow. But at last 2 digits. Before 2 space should be there. This will allow total 5 digits it will allow. 99, 999 also it will allow. 0 to 99, 999 it will allow. Understanding, please? Are you clear? How to create a table? How to see the structure of a table? How to see the data in the table? How to insert the records in the table? Now, after you insert the records, you must save it. You must save the records. You must save. So you can jumble if you want. See, while you are creating a new table, you can create it here at last. You can create this one at last. You can create first, but all those things. Okay, but when you create the same order, it will show. Whatever the order you create, in the same order it will show. Okay? Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? So after this, how to save the records? How to save the records? How to save the records? 6.6 student ID will not allow. 6.6 student ID will not allow. Check it out if you want. Just I am giving 6.6. Okay, execute. One row inserted, but see how it will insert. It will insert 7. It will round off. What is the student ID? Number of 5. But you given decimals. It will round off and it will give. Suppose if you give 6.4, it will give 6, I guess. See? It will give 6, I guess. Like this. Okay? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear? So now, how to save the records? At last, you give the commit. Commit means save the records in the table. Save it. Now it is safe. These are saved. All these records are saved. If the system restarted also, this will be there. This will be there. Are you clear? Are you clear? Everyone. Understanding? Understanding? Yes, please. Yeah. Can we edit the records? We can in the next session. First to see, first understand the basics. We'll go slow because there are many non-IT people. They should understand clearly. If you know Oracle already, it may be boring session for you. But people are there who don't know what is the table is. We should help them to understand first. We'll go slow first. We'll go up to the, we'll go slowly. The graph will go up. Not like simply tell everything in the same day, and nobody will understand nothing. Not like that. My training is organized training. You will understand step by step, not in all one. Where this record stored? In the table. Where this table stored? Under schema. Where this schema stored? Under? Where this schema stored? Under database. Are you clear? Yes, please. So how to save the records? Just give commit. Just give commit and execute it. Commit and just type commit. Select and execute. These records will save. These records will save. In columns, how to create number of characters, I'll tell you in the next session. Please wait. I'll create one more table now. Suppose I'll create one more table. Can we delete before saving? You can delete. How to delete, we'll see next session. Now, I'll create one more table. Create table customers. In the customers table, what I have? Cust ID. Suppose number, I need only 3 digits. Customer ID number. Cust name. Customer ID 3 digits. Now, cust name. Okay. Customer ID number of 3. Cust name. Cust name is varchar2. Varchar2 50. Okay. Next, credit. Credit number 8, 3. Now I am giving number 8, 3. Okay. Number 8, 3, comma debit number 8, 3. Also state. State varchar2 50. Like this I created. What and all I created? Customer ID should contain only 3 digits. Maximum 3 digits. Customer name maximum will allow 50 characters. Credit maximum will allow 8 digits before 3 digits space. Same for debit also. State will allow only 50 characters. State will allow only 50 characters. Are you clear, please? Now, select this and execute it. A table customers is created. A table's customer is created. How to insert the records? Insert it. Insert into table name. Okay. Here, customer ID. Give a space after this. Customer ID. Customer ID. Customer name. Cust name. Credit. Comma debit. Credit. Comma debit. Comma state. Comma state. Values. Under values. Okay. What we have under values? What customer ID? Suppose 10. Suppose customer ID 1. 1 second, please. Yeah. Customer ID 1, comma customer name. Customer name, suppose Raj. Customer name is Raj. Okay. Comma. Next, credit. Credit is 10,000. Credit is 10,000. Comma debit or 10,000.12. What I will do? 10,000.12. 1 second, please. Or 1,000.15. That is my credit. Debit is 500.58. Comma city. Comma city. City is state. State is KR. Like this I will write. State wise in separate color because it's a keyword. Maybe it's a keyword. It's a keyword in Oracle. We'll see that later. Okay. Now execute it. Execute this. Insert into customers. 1 row inserted. 1 row inserted. Now check it out. Select star from customers. If you see that one record might have inserted. This one record is inserted. 1 Raj 1000.15 debit. Credit. Debit is 500.58. State is KR. Suppose I want to insert one more record. You insert it. Okay. Here you give 2. Okay. RAM. And here you give 9999.999.12345. Yeah. Here you give 99.00 or 01. And then this is TS. Execute this. One more record is inserted. Check it out. Yes, guys. Understanding? Everyone? How to insert the records in a table? Understanding, everyone, please? Yes, guys. Suppose if you insert the same record again, same record will insert, duplicate record. Same record will insert again, see? If you insert this record again, the same record will insert again, see? Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? How to create a table? How to insert the records from a table? Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone clear about it? So now What and all we have seen today. After that, you have to commit. After that, you have to commit. You should not forget to commit. If you don't commit, if you close your system, it will not save. It will not save. Just commit. Are you clear, please? So while I am telling, you should not do parallelly. While I am doing, you should not do parallelly, please. If you do parallelly, you will not understand anything. So what is the error in this? What is error in this, guys? What is error in this statement? What is error in this? See, the red mark is there. There is a red mark. You have given where chars 2. You have to give where char 2. Where char 2. It is not where chars 2. It is where char. So while I am doing, you should not do. While I am doing, you should not do. Are you selecting select star from line? Yes, I am selecting select star from and execute. Then it will execute. While I am doing, you should not do with me parallelly. You should not do with me parallelly. You should listen first. After session, you can do whatever you want. Understood, guys? So what and all we have discussed today? We have discussed what is the table, what is a schema, what is the table, what is a schema, what is a database. So table is a collection of rows and columns. Table present in where? Table present in schema. Schema present in database. How to create a schema? First, before you create a table, you need to create a schema. How to create? Come to the schema, select the schema, and write these commands. Write this: create user, username, create user, username, identified by password. Your schema name is OTSRC Dev 12. Your password is small admin. And at a time you select and run, then your schema will create. Once your schema is created, just click on this plus symbol and connect it or configure it. You write the name as OTSRC Dev 12 and the username also same OTSRC Dev 12. Whatever the password you written here, the same password you use it here and click on save password. Test first, it should be succeeded, then connect, it will connect. Now you have how many tables in our system, in our schema now? Under OTSRC Dev 12, how many tables are there? 2 tables. How to see them? In left side, you can see. Disconnect your schema in the left side. Right click on it. Select your schema. Right click on it. Disconnect. Then connect it. Now under tables, there are 2 tables present. Customers and students is present. In the left side, customers and students present. Yes or no, please? What do you need to do? Select it. Right click on it. Disconnect. Then connect it. Just click on plus symbol. Click on tables. Then these 2 tables will be visible. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Is my session is interesting? Is my session is interesting? Are you feeling boring? Or is it interesting? Is it interesting, guys? So you don't worry. Next session is on when? Wednesday. Next session is on Wednesday. Next session is on Wednesday. Program and output save or not, it will not save. It will not save. You have to save it. How to save it, I will tell later. How to save it, I will tell later. Why we need to disconnect? To refresh. To refresh it. To refresh. Once you create a table, you should refresh them. When you disconnect and connect, then only it will come at left. Otherwise, it will not come. Okay? Got it, guys? Everyone? So, next session is on Wednesday. Next session is on Wednesday. So, I want to tell you one thing. If you want to message or call, you please call us between 8:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. only. You have to call us between 8:30 to 9 p.m. only. You should not text us or call us after 9 p.m. Please. Please make a note of it because we need also some rest. From past 1 week, my team is working hard to add you, to give the access to you, to add you in the group. And my team is really working 24/7 from past 1 week to 10 days. So please, whenever you want to call or text, always text us. When? From morning 8:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. only. After 9 p.m., if you text, we will not reply. We'll reply tomorrow only. Are you clear? Okay. And I will create the practice groups by tomorrow. You can join in the practice groups and you can practice with the people. Also, I will enable the group after some time. You can take it out. So now from Wednesday, I will not send the Zoom ID password. How to join? You know now how to join to Raj Informatica live session. You have to open rajinformatica.com. You have to open rajinformatica.com. Once you open rajinformatica.com, you have to log in with your Gmail ID. Okay. You have to log in with your Gmail ID, log in with Google and select your this one. Once you log in, okay, go to students, join live session. Go to students, join live session. Once you go to join live session, select your evening batch, evening session. Once you select the evening session, you need to copy the meeting ID and put it in the Zoom app. Don't copy paste the password. Just type the password in Zoom app. Then you will be able to log in. Whoever paid 15,000, they will be having website access. Also, how to see the material or video? How to see the now it is fast. Now it is fast. You can check. Okay, close your window, restart your system and try. It will go fast. How to see the material? Go to students, enrolled courses. How to see the material or how to see the video? Go to students. Okay, then 17th batch evening, you click on it. 17th batch evening, you click on it. After that, there is one button called Start Learning. Click on Start Learning. Click on Start Learning. Then click on Lesson 1. You will be seeing the last session. You will be seeing the last session and the material. Today's session, after 10 minutes, by 10 o'clock or 9:45, you will be seeing the video and you can download the material. When you click on download here, scroll down and click on download. Here, you will be seeing all the today's notes will be available. Today's notes will be available with the screenshots. Okay. So whoever paid 15,000 will be only they will be having access. So if you want to add the WhatsApp group or if you need the website access, you need to pay as soon as possible, please. So please pay as soon as possible and you will get the access. Are you clear? How to watch my sessions and I will send the. So did you understand, please, everyone? Did you like my session today? Where we can see last class videos, these videos. Last class videos here, session 3. These are all last class. Session 1, session 2. In this batch completed, I replaced them. Lesson 3, the old batch video. This is old batch video. Lesson 4, old batch. Like this you can see. Till 10, we will be having, okay, after that, okay, we will not be having videos. So please practice them after this session. Create as many tables as you want. So did you like my session, guys? Did you like, everyone? Is my English is understandable to everyone? Whoever thinking that I am very poor in English. Are you clear now? Yes, please. Nobody is poor in English. You are thinking like that, like this. Come out of it. Come out of it and start speaking in English. You will get it. Pawan, please ask the doubt in the chat quickly. Are you clear, guys? Yes, please. Yeah. Clear about it? So I will send this video link to you. Today video only will be uploaded in YouTube. From Wednesday, third session I will not upload in YouTube. I'll upload in website. That will be accessible only to the paid people. So today, please comment my video if you like it and like it. Comment first, like and subscribe, please. Okay? Comment, like and subscribe. Okay? Yes, guys. So please don't, if you, before creating Oracle table, you need to start with Excel, not required. Directly you can create it. You don't need to create Excel. I just shown you there. That's it. I just shown you. Okay. Yes, please. Understanding? Everyone, are you clear, please? Yes, guys. This is about today's sessions. Okay. Yes, guys. So next session will be on Wednesday. Next session will be on Friday. Next session will be on Wednesday. Next session will be on Friday. Can we create tables in Oracle, which is installed? Yes. Yeah, open SQL developer and create it. Yes. That's what I have done. Yes. Yes, guys. Okay. So see you on Wednesday then. So do not waste time and help others. In the group, please help others. I have sent you the group rules also. If anybody is not following the group rules, I will just remove them from the group and I'll remove from the training. Please be polite with others. Please be polite with others and ask only Informatica related. Only ask Informatica related. Practice groups I'll create by tomorrow. My team will create. They will send you in some time. Okay, by tomorrow. And please, okay, I will enable the access in the group. I will enable the access in the main group after some time. After some time. Can we commit after creating every row? Not required. After inserting all rows, then you commit. Enrollment ID not required. Enrollment ID is not required. Just you should have the access. That's it. Check the access. I have given a video also. Check the access, please. Whoever not installed, please install it. Whoever not installed, please install it. Whoever installed, help others in the group. I will enable the WhatsApp group, evening batch. You can chat in the group. And assignments I will give. We'll go slow. We'll go slow first. Then we'll give the assignments. First, if you are very clear, try to help others. If you have any doubt, post in the group. People will help you. Okay, guys. See you on Wednesday. See you on Wednesday. If it is any Informatica related problem, post in the group. People will help you. Or ping us on 8105296858 from morning 8:30 to night 9 p.m. We will help you. Okay. So please, if you like my session, please comment on it. Your comments are very important to me. Please comment on it. Whatever you feel, you please comment. Whatever you feel, you comment it. I will not ask to everyone. I will not ask anyone to positive review. If you want to improve my session, you can still tell in that comment. But please comment on my session. Okay. Yes, guys. Yeah, please comment. Please comment and like and subscribe. Okay. Now, only first 2 weeks will be alternative. From 3rd week onwards, it will be daily session. Sunday will be a holiday. Okay. Thank you, guys. Good night, all. Have a good night, everyone. So see you on Wednesday. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Please practice well. Bye, guys. Thank you all. Bye-bye.